Here's a 2011 Chrysler Town Country. With room to stretch out and pack things in, it'll become your home away from home. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, AC power outlet, power adjustable pedals, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and multi-speed automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.